Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn on how to remove Dropbox from your PC. It's an easy and simple process, so make sure to watch this video till the end without skipping. Now, let's get started. To remove Dropbox from your PC, open Control Panel. Then in this Control Panel, under this Programs section, tap on Uninstall a program. Then search for Dropbox and tap on it. Then tap on the Uninstall button. And when the uninstallation is completed, tap on Close. And as you can see, Dropbox is no longer here. That means we have successfully removed Dropbox from our PC. And guys, that was it. This is how you remove Dropbox from your PC. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give this video a thumbs up to let me know and subscribe to our channel TechUp for more contents like this. Feel free to drop any of your queries or questions in the comment section below. I'll get right back to you. Thanks for watching and see you in next video.